Today I'll be unboxing the D23 2022 Gold Member Collector Set. This is my second year being a Gold Member, and I'm very excited about what's in this box. So if you don't know what D23 is, it is the official Disney fan club. And if you want more information on how to sign up and what other benefits you get with your membership, you can go to d23.com. So each year, the Gold Member Collector Set has a different theme. This year's theme is Around the World of Disney Parks. So I'm going to open this box up and we're going to take the contents out pretty quickly, and then we'll take a closer look at each item. So we open it up, and the first thing you'll see, if you're a new member, this is your first year, you're going to see a certificate that's kind of taped up right up here. So that'll be your welcome to D23. I don't have that here because I got that last year. So the next thing is your Gold Member card. So this has your number and everything on the back. Looks very similar to last year's, but we'll do a quick comparison soon. Then you have your Around the World of Disney Parks passport. It's a little box here, and inside it has kind of some write-ups on the different parks around the world. And then you get your Mickey Aviation Wings. It's a pen, put on your shirt. And then you get a metal luggage tag. Very nice. And the last thing in the box, fold that down, are the pins. So there are 7 pins, kind of pull this whole thing out here, 7 pins from the resorts around the world and the Disney Cruise Line. So we'll take a closer look at all of these. So, and that's it. The box is empty, so let's take a closer look. So here is the D23 certificate. So if you are a new member, you will get this one. This is mine from last year, but it should look the same this year. Here is the Gold Member card, and it does look the same as last year. Here's last year's. So pretty much the same, and they're exactly the same on the back except for the expiration date, of course. So here is the passport box. So it has the theme Around the World of Disney Parks, and it's just a thin little box. And when you open it up, you can see that there's some passport stamps here from all the different Disney resorts around the world. And there's an introduction here that talks about the theme of this year's collector's set and some of the benefits that you get with a D23 membership. And then it goes through and has a little bit of information about each of the Disney parks. So we have Anaheim, Disneyland Resort, 1955. Walt Disney World was 1971. Tokyo Disney was 1983. Disneyland Paris, 1992. Although it was, when it opened, it was called Euro Disney. And Hong Kong Disneyland, 2005. Shanghai, 2016. And then Castaway Key, or is it Castaway Cay? I actually looked this up. I wasn't 100% sure on how to pronounce it, so I looked it up, and wow, that's one of those, draw a line in the sand, and you're on either Team K or Team Key. I'm gonna go with Key. I'm gonna say Key. So Disneyland Cruise Line started in 1998. And it has a little information here about Walt's plane. Pretty cool stuff there. Then we have some information on the Aviation Pin and the Luggage Tag. So let's open up the pin and take a look at that and the tag. Here is the Aviation Pin, or your pilot wings, whatever you want to call them. It says D23 Gold Member there on the bottom. Really nice looking pin. On the back it has 2 pin posts and has the D23 logo. And it does have the Mickey pin backs. The luggage tag is this really nice piece of metal that's etched in with D23 official Disney Fan Club Gold Member, and the little passport box says this is actually the Mickey and airplane tail emblem designed for Walt Disney for his plane. Pretty cool. So it has metal on the back too, and then a piece of plastic in the middle. So you can take out this screw here, and then it opens up, and then you can get your piece of paper there and write your name and everything on it. And then it has this little cable here that you can thread through there, and it has threads on it. So it goes around the handle and then screw it on. So that should stay on your luggage pretty good. Very nice. Here are the 7 pins that are in this collection. These were at the bottom of the box, and they're on this giant card back that is a map of the world. And the 7 pins are up here are Disneyland Resort, Disneyland Paris, Shanghai Disney, Tokyo Disney, Walt Disney World, Disney Cruise Line, and Hong Kong Disney. So I'm going to take these off the card and we'll look at them one by one. Okay, first up is the Disneyland Pin, and this represents Disneyland and Disney's California Adventure. So we have the castle, we have Mr. Toad, Small World, got the Matterhorn right in the background there, that's awesome. The Pixar Pal Around, and a Cozy Cone Motel from Cars Land, and a Hitchhiking Ghost. Next is Walt Disney World, which is representing Magic Kingdom, Epcot, Hollywood Studios, and the Animal Kingdom. So we have the castle, Orange Bird, the Tower of Terror, Figments over here with the Tree of Life in the background, and Spaceship Earth with a monorail over the top. So this is Tokyo Disneyland and Disney Sea. We got a lot of characters on this one. So we have the castle, and then we have Baymax, Sully, and Boo. And down here we have Duffy. This is the SS Columbia. This is Hurricane Point Lighthouse. And the big volcano in the middle of Tokyo Disney Sea is called Mount Prometheus. That looks like an awesome park. I would love to go there. The next stop on our parks around the world is Disneyland Paris, which is also Walt Disney Studios. 2 parks there. So we got the castle, we have Remy down here and Cheshire Cat over here. We have Big Thunder Mountain and the Walt Disney Studios Tower. Got an X-Wing flying off the top, that's really cool. And then this is Phantom Manor, which is their version of Haunted Mansion. Next is Hong Kong Disneyland. And this one has the castle, we have Dumbo, Space Mountain. Right behind Space Mountain is the Orbitron, which is similar to the Astro Orbiter. This is Mystic Manor, and I believe this is Albert, the monkey that is one of the characters in Mystic Manor. And back here, this big mountain with the little mineshaft house thing up there, that is Big Grizzly Mountain Runaway Mine Cars. So now we have Shanghai Disneyland, which has their castle here, and we have a Tron light cycle right there. That looks like a super fun ride. We have Peter Pan. This is probably Pirates of the Caribbean, but they do have the land is called Treasure Cove. That's where Pirates of the Caribbean's at. And there is a pirate ship out in the water there, so that could be that too, but probably pirates. And this is in a land called Adventure Isle, and this mountain is called Roaring Mountain. So there's a couple of rides there. Here is the Disney Cruise Line pin. This one has Captain Minnie Mouse, Chip and Dale, and I believe this is the Disney Wish. At least the back of the pin, it says Disney Wish. Here are the back of the pins. They're all gold tone finish, and they have the name of the resort on the top there, and they have 2 pin posts and the D23 logo. So that was the D23 2022 Gold Member Collector Set. So what do you think? Do you like this set? Do you like last year's better? I have a video for last year's. It had some pins too. It had a pennant and a lunchbox, which is right behind me. So that one was good too, but I prefer this year's because it was mostly pins, and I like the pins. Anyway, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.